In a sunny garden, Rollo the Robot hears a funny squeak. What could be making that sound? Rollo spots a bouncy frog by the pond. But frogs say ribbit, not squeak. A bright butterfly flutters by. Butterflies don't squeak. What else could it be? There's a friendly mouse with a squeaky toy. Yay! Rollo found it. What a fun day! Can you find something that squeaks at home? See you next time!